Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with RE/MAX Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time. Hi, I'm Jason Buck, and I wanted to show you this new listing here at 2 Yellow Brick Road. So this is an amazing property. You got the 3-car garage at the bottom. It's a 4-bedroom, 5-bath with over 5,000 square feet, and the lot is over 28. And it's hard to see, but that's right up the beach here from this ground level, and a ton of city light view. You got Spanish pavers here. They have a Spanish feel throughout with the arches and the rafters and the tile roof. You got a beautiful courtyard here in the front, fireplace, and the Spanish pavers. Come on up to the front. I love how they have the tile inserts in the steps. It's classic Spanish feel. And the pavers again. You get up to the top floor and shazam, we're looking straight down at the beach. You would see downtown LA, and it's like right there in the haze. Beautiful. So let's take a look inside. So beautiful finishes throughout. Everything is gorgeous. What a beautiful big door. Right into a big hallway here. And it smells wonderful. So these are big skylights here above us. Nice hallway. And it puts you into this social room. Like the vaulted ceiling. So you have a wet bar in the back here. Beautiful countertop. It's a leathered granite, it looks like. Beer fridge, storage, and bar top. Then you have the beautiful sitting area here. I love this wall. It's like stone. It's beautiful. And then it takes you right in here where you have a glass wine case. It is a climate controlled, but I mean, how cool is that to be able to see in there? It feels good in here. It's beautiful. It's all walnut. Most of them are cedar. This one's walnut. Beautiful granite. Very nice. And then a little sitting area where you can hang out. It's pretty cool. The lights are all LED and beautiful. And from here you get a great view. So you go this way, we have a entry closet and then a half bath. Look at this. Beautiful. Tile work is great. This staircase here goes to the garage. Direct access to the 3-car garage. So now we step down into the kitchen. Big island here in the middle, and what a stove, wow. I love this backsplash. It's that glass type of stuff. You got the 6-burner and a grill. You got a lowered Wolf appliances here. Really nice cabinetry. It is maple lined, it's beautiful, it's cushion closed. So this kitchen's super functional because you have your nook here where you can hang out while everyone's cooking, or you can sit at the end of this table and hang out. It does step to the outside. So we've got a barbecue and a landing here. Nice, look at the granite here, it's beautiful. So there is property going up the hill. Not all of it's really usable, but you could do something if you wanted to. They just chose to leave it like that. A little side yard. So you could have a dog run. Air conditioning. Love the way that the fridge matches all the cabinetry, and obviously you've got a lot of pantry space and stuff here, all pull-outs. Super nice. More pantry over here. It's just great. Ton of room. And then we come right on into where they're doing dining. This is, look at the chandelier too. It's just like they have this great taste. And this has a huge view from here. So this is more of your family room. The fireplace. It's functional. You step outside. You can just hang out here looking out at the view. Huge view, right over the golf course. So it's beautiful. Looking back into the room, you know, you got high ceilings and LED lights. It's just a really good feel. Beautiful hardwood floors as well. And then you get a very nice tile in here. So let's take a look at some bedrooms. Come down to the end of this hall, and the whole top side here is the master. Wow, I mean the view from here is really good. Wow. So neat room, but the big part is the view. From here we're seeing the beach and beyond, up the coastline, the sand, across the golf course into downtown. And going that way, I'll get to Long Beach at some point. But you'll have the mountains in the distance. Is a great spot. It's a nice big room. And it's attached to this bathroom. This looks like wood, but that's actually tile. This is his closet. His sink. Same high quality stuff in here, cushion clothes, maple line. And look at this tub, wow. That is beautiful. And I like the way they refinished everything here. So another little vanity area where you can do your makeup and stuff, and then a beautiful shower. It's just gorgeous. And then they have her closet. This is a little bit more of a walk-in with an island, shoe rack. And I like the way they did the cedar at the ceiling. This is really beautiful. And then that takes you back out. So that whole top wing there is the master. Pretty neat. So we go down. And then there's 2 bedrooms here, Jack and Jill. We also have our laundry room. So this is laundry. It does have a door to go outside from here. Looks like there's a water heater in there as well. Here's one of the 2 bedrooms. Skim ceilings. It's got like the Spanish type of stucco on it. And it comes into the bath here. Beautiful, beautiful granite and tile. Nice tub. Really beautiful piece of granite here. Super nice. And then into another nice ocean view room with some balconies. So nice to wake up to that. Beautiful. So let's go down. There is another room here. So this is a spiral staircase. And it takes us down to this bedroom down here. So this is our 4th bedroom. And this one has access to that patio. It has its own bath, and I love the tile work. This stuff is super cool. It's nice. And the floor is brushed, so it gives a little texture to it, so it's not super slippery. I mean, it's just super clean. It also has a closet. So that's the spiral. We have another area down here too. So there's another rec area here. This will be recreation room. There was a billiard table and some other stuff down here, so there's plenty of room. You can use it as a workout center as well. Pretty big, another wine fridge. So beautiful spot to hang out. I'll catch you. This is a fantastic home. Call for a private showing.
Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties here in Palos Verdes. Our real estate market is very hot. Homes are sometimes selling in less than a week. Now, you may not have all the time to get to all these homes, but I do. And I shoot a virtual tour to help you save time.